Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Cash App without a card on Android. Firstly, you can pay with Cash App. Open the Cash App on your Android device, then tap the Cash App Pay icon on the home screen. It looks like a QR code. Next, scan the QR code at the merchant's checkout. After that, enter your PIN to confirm the payment. Next, you can pay with a Cash App code. So, open the Cash App and tap the dollar symbol, then enter the amount you want to pay. Tap Pay and choose Show Cash Code. After that, show the cash code to the merchant who can enter it manually on their end. You will receive a notification once the payment is complete. The next method is to send to merchant's Cash App account. So open the Cash App and tap the search bar here. Enter the merchant's cash tag, then enter the amount you want to pay and tap Pay. Add a brief note, this is optional, and confirm the payment with your PIN. You can also try some other options. For example, some merchants might accept Cash App payments through other methods like direct bank transfer or in-app integrations. Check with a merchant for a specific option. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.